Cisarua district, Indonesia, is one of the mushroom farming sectors. Almost 200 mushroom farmers at each crossroad.
Every mushroom planting requires planting media made from sawdust waste, tapioca flour, rice bran, lime, and water. The time it takes for mushroom to grow is 3 months.
However, along with the increasing number of mushroom cultivation businesses, the unused backlog waste is dumped on the road with the reason of not having land to dispose of it, so that it disrupts the comfort and health of the surrounding community. In addition to mushroom farmers, there are other farmers in Cisarua Regency such as vegetable, flower, and fruit farmers who need practical, efficient, and economical planting media, as well as an alternative to plastic pots that are rumored to have reached 64 million tons per year in Indonesia.
Jadi kalau untuk yang tidak punya lahan pembuangan, dia ya sangat mengganggu sekali.
Selama 3 bulan itu terus limbahnya itu dibuang ke lahan yang kosong.
From the problem that we face arises our concern to solve the problem of mushroom backlog accumulation in Cisarua.
By creating a product in the form of an eco-friendly pot that is practical and efficient based on mushroom backlog waste,
which we add to the content with fermented fertilizer process from organic waste to supplement the element nutrient in this pot,
so that it can be used by other farmers in the Cisarua area, such as flower, vegetable, seeds, and fruit farmers.
and can be used by people who like farming or urban community who want to preserve the environment.
Besides being able to have reduced the accumulation of mushroom backlog waste in Cisarua pots,
It's also expected to be an alternative to plastic pots, which are now filling up and polluting the ocean in Indonesia.
and helping to improve the economy of the surrounding community.
This eco-friendly pot can be used until it melts and can be directly planted into the ground so that it doesn't produce waste again.
We hope that this eco-friendly pot can overcome the problem of waste in Cisarua, help farmers produce quality product, and protect the Indonesian ocean, and help the economy of the surrounding community.
Nature pot is the right name to describe the meaning of the creation of this eco-friendly pot. My name is Safira Aprilia Savitri.
My name is Esti Indriani.
Nature pot ready to preserve Indonesia.